Hi, welcome back to the hangar. While I'm sawing away at the video on how we made the fuselage itself, I figured I'd jump ahead and show you some other work getting done, because there's a whole bunch of moving parts that have to get accomplished before it's an airplane. And one of the things was the turtle deck stringers. That's the area behind the cockpit that goes to the tail that gives it that nice rounded shape on the top, because as you know, it's flat. Those things got kind of bent up, so today I'm going to true them up and do some repairs on them and get them ready for installation, which will be another video. Also managed to ruin the floorboard I had made, so I get to make a video on how to make the floorboard because I forgot the camera that day. So that's a good thing, I guess. Anyhow, let's go do that. Are dirty. You've been working on an airplane. Whatever will you do? Try this. This is from Snap-on. It's black cherry hand cleaner with Febril. It's also Cesra Negra Limpiador de Manos con Febriles. It's good stuff. It's water activated. All you gotta do is just pop the top, put some on your hand, give it some water, rub it around. Look at the dirt just come away. It's amazing. Then you rinse it off. This is real time, folks. This is made in the USA. You know those Americans, they make great stuff. Then you dry your hands off. Shazam, your hands are clean. Back to the video. This is a 1/2-inch dowel that we're going to make smaller so it'll fit inside. turtleneck stringers are done. That's pretty cool. They're all straight, and that one splice we put in, it's got a cure, so it'll be nice and firm. And I managed to tweak it just a little bit when I was pounding in that sucker to make it true and really firm. But other than that, she's ready for installation. So until next time, we'll see you, and sorry for all the delays in the videos. Work is getting done. Turtleneck stringers are done. They're pretty much true. We got the splice in. It's just got to dry and clear. Cure. It's got to clear. It's got to clear. It's a Scientologist. It really is. They took a heat meter to it and works out just great.